Yo, Zach Bradshaw, the Greensboro SEO Pro, back with another bite-sized internet marketing tutorial. So in this video, we are just going to go over how to add and manage user permissions within Google My Business, similar to other videos like this. This will be used for client onboarding, internal training, and other little, times when I just need a 2-minute video explaining how to manage these permissions. So it's fairly simple. The main thing is just finding how to get into your Google My Business for most people. Now, you need to be logged into a Google account that already has these management permissions for this to work. And when you do a search for your brand, just Greensboro SEO Pro in my case, this like dynamic dashboard with your insights and different things you can do here comes up, and you can click on the blue bar and it will take you to the Google My Business dashboard where users is prominently placed on the sidebar here, and you click on it and your manage permissions dashboard comes up. Now, because I use my Gmail account to do this specific part of the demonstration, I'm only a manager here. So the only user permission that I have is to remove myself as a manager. And just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I will be kicked out of this account, right? So now, in order to do this the right way, I'm going to go to Google My Business, or business.google.com, I'm sorry, and I could just press enter. Except that my Google Suite address, which is the one that is the actual owner of that account, it is actually the 4th user right now that I have logged in. So like if I just did this again, it'll take me back into that same Gmail account that I just removed permissions from. So for me specifically, you probably don't need to do this. I just need to add a user and then 4, because I know that that is in the hierarchy of my users. My Google Suite is my 4th user right now active within Google. Now, I could have changed that before this demonstration, but I would have had to do the same thing for my Gmail. I would have had to do it one way or another. So here I am in the same dashboard, but now I'm logged into a different username here. I'm not going to show you my other users that I have logged in, but now I'm under Zach at GreensboroSEOPro.com as opposed to jzbradshaw88@gmail.com. So I'm going to go to the users here, and now because I'm the primary owner, I get this little box right here, and I can invite new users. So JZ Bradshaw, and like it already knows me, so I'm going to go ahead and click on me, and then I'm going to make myself a manager again. Or no, I'm going to make myself an owner, just so that I will have the ability under my Gmail address to give permissions and whatever else. But owner and manager have similar roles. Community manager can really just like do posting and things like that, kind of on the front end of that dashboard that you saw, where you saw like add a post or whatever else. And then the owner can manage permissions and probably do a couple of other things. But this video is not about what all these different things do. It's just about how to do it. So I'm gonna give myself the owner permission here, because I am the owner, and now I have a primary owner, an invited owner, and I will have to confirm this via my email in order to be accepted as that owner within that. So should be a simple process for whatever you're doing. You can either go to business.google.com, and you'll have to log in to whatever user already has permission to your Google My Business, or you can just search for your business if you already have this set up the proper way. Now, that's enough for this one. Obviously, you can like and subscribe to my stuff if you want to. If not, that's cool too. Of course, if you need help with SEO, I am here to serve you. And until next time, I love you. Peace.